Hey, it's Fun with Tab, and as you know, it is Earth Day, and we got a lot of supplies to make the Earth beautiful again. We got 10 bags of red mulch, 2 bags of garden soil, and we're going to beautify the Earth over here. All right, as you can see, I had to come out of my coat and my hat because it's getting warm out here. Take this bag of mulch, red mulch, we're going to head over there to our first location where it needs some mulch. Alright, follow me. Alright. As you can see, mulch is down here already. It's a little old. So we're going to put some more vibrant red color mulch on top of this to make it come real, I'll make the bushes come real, make it look real beautiful. Alright? Alright, we're going to start putting, we got 3 bags over here. Put around these bushes. Alright, watch it.
Oh, no bags, what are you doing?
Alright. As you can see, Mama West, she's doing her part to keep the earth beautiful by pruning the dead leaves off her rose bush.
So all these are dead? All these are dead? Yeah. That's dead. You have to cut these off every year. About the height.
Listen to the experienced gardener just teaching the youngsters how to garden. So she's pruning her rose bush and getting the dead leaves off so the new ones can come back. As you can see from a closer shot, there are the new ones, and she's pruning the old dead ones so that the new ones can come in. As you can see, this is where I poured the red mulch around these bushes. Don't they look beautiful? It's making the bushes really stand out now by replacing that old red mulch with new red mulch. Isn't it beautiful now? This is what we do to make sure that our earth stays beautiful and clean. As you can see, I also put some red mulch around these bushes so that it will brighten the bushes and make the land look beautiful. Don't this look real beautiful, seeing the red mulch under the bushes? Beautiful job. Yeah, this is beautiful. Oh, real good right here. Look how beautiful that red mulch is bringing out the bushes. And here's another person pruning the dead leaves so that the new ones can come back in. And I'm about to go out and get some more mulch to put around these bushes. These are roses. As you can see, I decorated I put some more mulch around this pole. And I put some more red mulch around this tree, and so they can bring out the color of make the tree look real beautiful. And then if you come on this side, you can see that I put some more red mulch around this tree so it can stand out. Once again, we're doing this to make our earth beautiful. Every now and then the earth needs a little face up. It needs a touch up. And so this is what we do to make our earth beautiful by buying the things that we need to make it beautiful.
Hydrangea, and it's believed to be dead, so you have to cut them off every year at the bud that's growing back. So this looks like the bud that's trying to come back now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it a little bit above, so where that'll grow back to become a beautiful bud.
All right.
This whole bush.
Did you hear that? She was telling you how to prune the dead leaves so that the new ones can, the dead flower, I'm sorry, so that the new one can be created again. Wow, this is interesting stuff. All this from an experienced gardener. Thank you. These pictures show the finished product of renovating on Earth Day. And it took 15 large bags of red mulch to complete this renovation. And we had so much fun. And I encourage you to do the same thing so that you too can make the earth look so beautiful. A job well done. So, Fun with Tab encourages you too to get involved in your community so that you too can make the earth beautiful. A great investment. This is Fun with Tab. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Earth Day Renovation. Now it's your turn to make a difference in your community. My question to you is, how are you going to make the earth beautiful?